Hello, Sunbeamers. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the muscular system. So in the previous class we have learned about your skeletal system, and now it's over. Now we are going to learn muscular system. So what is muscular system? Okay, muscular system means the system of muscles. So the bones are there in our body, but they cannot move on their own. They need muscles to make them to move. Make the bones move. Make the bones move. The muscular system makes the bone moves, and they have the weight of the body. The weight of the body is decided by the muscles, not bones also, but mainly by the muscles. Okay, and they are made up of elastic fibers. 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 There are 650 muscles. We have 650 muscles in our body. Okay, and the muscles are attached to the bones. Suppose by this diagram you understand, this is a bone. Here it is a bone. Okay, and a muscle is attached to this bone. This is a muscle. Okay, how it is attached? It is attached by special connective tissues called as tendons. They're attached to the bones. You can write they're attached to the bones by help of tendons. By help of tendons. So then now we will be learning about biceps and triceps. Very important, biceps and triceps. This concept you have to learn. Okay, biceps and triceps. See, biceps and triceps are your arm muscles. Arm, the muscles of your arm. So to ensure arm movement, biceps and triceps, you have to learn. So when you pull your arm, suppose you pull your arm like this. So everyone, you pull your arm like this. Okay. So what happens? This biceps contracts. Biceps contracts. You see? Biceps contracts and triceps relaxes. Okay. This becomes shorter and this becomes longer. This biceps contracts. Similarly, when you pull it back, when you extend it, when you extend your hand, your triceps contracts and biceps relaxes. So during when you suppose when you pull your arm, when you pull your arm, you have to remember biceps contracts and triceps relaxes. Relaxes. And when you stretch your arm, stretch your arm. When you stretch your arm, triceps contracts. Oh, triceps contracts and biceps relaxes. Okay. So this is all about your contraction of muscles. Now, types of muscles. How many types of muscles are there? Okay. So see, muscles are of three types: cardiac, skeletal, and smooth muscle. Okay. So some muscle we can control by our own will. We can control by our own will. अपने मर्जी से उसका मूवमेंट करेंगे. They are called as skeletal muscle or voluntary muscle. Okay. Voluntary muscle. Voluntary muscles means they are attached to the bones. Attached to bones. They are attached to bones. Okay, they're under our control. Under control. Okay, they're under our control. Now is your smooth muscle. What about smooth muscle? Okay, smooth muscle are involuntary. Involuntary muscle. Okay, they're involuntary muscle found in internal organs. Suppose our stomach, our intestine, all have this smooth muscle. Okay, and they are not under our control. They are not under control. They work, they continue, and we cannot stop that. Okay, so internal organs muscle are not in our control. Next is cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is a special muscle of heart. Special heart muscle. Cardiac means heart. Special heart muscle. Okay. They are involuntary. They are not under control. Can we stop heartbeat? Can we stop heart pumping? So not under control. It looks like skeletal muscle, but it is not skeletal muscle. Okay. They work without stopping. Work without stopping. So understood about three types of muscle. Now is how to have healthy bones and muscles. You can take a screenshot of this page. How have healthy bones and muscles. Last part of the chapter. Healthy bones and muscles. So how to have healthy bones and muscles? So you have to make your muscles strong. So for that you have to do exercise. Exercise. Exercise you have to do to keep your muscles healthy and strong. You have to take mineral calcium. You have to take mineral calcium and vitamin D and vitamin D to keep your bones strong. To keep your bones strong. Calcium, you can take milk, you can take eggs, okay, to keep your bones strong. Now, you can take yogurt, fish, okay, green leafy vegetables. For strong muscles, we need proteins, okay, eggs, eggs you can take, okay, you can take a curd, you can take for strong muscles, you can take fish for strong muscles, okay, for strong muscles, for strong muscles. So, and you have to sit in good posture, to sit in good posture, otherwise bad posture can create some problems, okay, in your body, like muscle pain, bone pain. So for today this much, we'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, thank you and bye bye. And please like and subscribe to the channel. Okay. Okay, bye.